Hello student, today I am going to teach you principle of mathematical induction. In mathematical induction, we have to remember just 4 steps. What is this? A first step, let the statement be denoted as Pn. N is true for 1, N is true for n is equal to k, and n is true for k plus 1. Now I am going to give you one example so that you can easily understood. Let one example prove 1 plus 2 plus up to n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. It is a statement. So let the statement is denoted, let the given statement be denoted by Pn. So Pn is equal to 1 plus 2 plus n is equal to n plus 1 by 2. The proof of the above statement is to be done by method of induction. We have to prove it by method of induction, so we can write the proof of the above statement is done by method of induction. Let us verify the statement for n is equal to 1. Let us verify or let us prove the statement is proof for n is equal to 1. So put n is equal to 1. So here we put in the place of n we put 1. So in left hand side we find n is equal to 1. Also in right hand side we find the value of n into n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1. So here left hand side equal to right hand side. So Pn is true for n is equal to 1. Let us assume that the given statement is true for n is equal to 1. We have already finished n for 1. So we have now assume, let us assume the given statement is true for n is equal to k. So we put in the place of n, we put k. So here we can write pk is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n equal to k into k plus 1 by 2. Here in this state, in this point, we just assume n is equal to k, also write here this point. In last step, we have to show that the statement is true for n is equal to k plus 1. So see, pk plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 2 plus k plus 1. Also in right hand side, we can write k plus 1 plus 1 divided by 2. Let us see, before k plus 1, we can write k. This is the statement, this is the proof part. What is the proof part? We just take the left hand side and show that the right hand side. Here look at the left hand side 1 plus 2 plus k. We have already assumed this value. What is the value of 1 plus 2 plus k value? We just write k into k plus 1 by 2. So here we write k plus 1. We just calculate, take the LCM and we find the k plus 1 by 2 is equal to RHS. So we have take LHS part, we show RHS part. Hence Pn is true for n is equal to k plus 1. So by mathematical induction, Pn is true for all n plus 1. It is a very easy just to remember its point and writing process. Okay, bye. We can easily prove all the problem like this.